What's up guys, welcome to another new video. If you are new to this channel, my name is Ademola and I'm a creative photographer. You can check me on Instagram, Ademola_studios, and you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah, I just drop update on photography, love sharing them, no gatekeeping here. So in this video we're going to be talking about a lighting setup I used for my client recently. If you're a new photographer or if you're just coming to the game of photography and you're confused about lighting setup in the studio, or you're just looking for a particular lighting to use, I think I found the best, to be honest. In this video I'm just going to be showing you how I actually shot this particular pictures you are seeing on my screen. For the first concept, basically was a 3-light setup. I used a parabolic umbrella, 2 parabolic umbrella by the side and 1 air light, so it's actually separated from the background. And the background choice was so sweet. We went with the off-white. We had the first parabolic on A and the second one on B. The A was on 1/35 and the B was 1/64. My camera was in the Canon Arrow and the 85mm. My ISO was on 100. My f-stop was on 2.2. What else do you expect? My shutter speed was on, I actually need to check my phone. Okay, my shutter speed was on 1/125. Then we have the air lights at the back. The air light was like 1/2 something. It was pretty low. I didn't make it high because I didn't really want much from that air light. And this gave us this for this picture and for this picture. Then for the second picture, which I made it black and white because she requested, was just 1 light. So I just off one this B, the B softbox, and just left the A alone. And I told her to do her pose and just, you can see it's actually nice. Then another setup was when she sat down on the table. I just wanted only 1 light. The main effective light was this note I was trying to hang on top, so I just went on to hang this note on top and just direct the light to her, and this gave us this particular image. You can see if you check like under her chin, the light is kind of harsh. It's give her shadows over here, but the image is sweet. She loves it. Like I mean that's the goal. So yeah, my tips if you are going to be snapping your next client. The first thing I did on set was to actually get my lighting ready. That means I knew that I was going for this particular lighting setup and I tested it and I knew it was good. Anytime I'm snapping a client, I don't just shoot. Some of you will just be shooting. No, let your clients see what you are shooting so that they will know how they feel and they will know how they want to pose. So what I do is I take few pictures, I show my client and look at, see, this is how you look like, and she'll feel like, oh, I look nice. Check. And the second thing is pose. Pose are like very important. Not all clients know how to pose. There are some clients that come to the studio and when they pose for you, oh my god, you just be like, thank god. And there are some that they will come to the studio and when they will pose, they will give you a headache. So you should know how to pose your client. If you don't know how to do it, you can get someone to actually do for you. I do the same. Sometimes I get my colleague to actually do the posing because I'm stressed. I said it in my last video, someone actually do posing for me, or I do by myself. Another trick is going to Pinterest to look for different concepts, and once you have that concept, just show the client and, yo, this is what I want you to do, let's do it. Don't just shoot, you get, pose your client. And you know what to do. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and I will see you in my next video.